Calling all camera control button fans, I have two top cases here from the guys at Spigen. So the big question, is this camera control button any good? Let's find out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So here we are. Now I have a couple of cases here from the guys at Spigen. So I have the Ultra Hybrid T and I have the Tough Armor case. Now this is the Tough Armor T. These are cases from Spigen which have the camera control button. So the Ultra Hybrid T is a clear case with a frosted back. It's MagSafe case. We have this darkened clear TPU bumper. We have these molded buttons, and then we have, of course, our camera control button there as well. Then we have the Tough Armor. So this is one of Spigen's more rugged cases. We have these rubber protective buttons, which are really good. Full bumper protection. We've got a kickstand here in the back, and of course, we have camera control button as well. So first off, let's just weigh these cases. So we'll start with the Ultra Hybrid T, and that's weighing in at 41 grams, so that's pretty straightforward. That's exactly what that should be. And then if we just check out the Tough Armor, this is a more rugged case. This is weighing in at 57 grams, and really rugged cases they do sort of weigh in at between 50 and 60 grams. Nature of the beast. So yeah, that is what you want to see. With that all said, let's start off with the Ultra Hybrid T. So we'll just pop our phone into this. Now I will say over the past maybe year or so, I have become a real big fan of the Ultra Hybrid cases, namely the 01 case. I really liked it, and past couple of cases that Spigen have come out with have been so good. This is no exception. So this is it in the natural titanium iPhone, and it looks awesome. It really does. I'm a really big fan of these darkened clear bumpers. Now the molded buttons they're okay. Would I like them to be maybe metal buttons or, you know, better material than that? Maybe, but it's not really a deal breaker for me. The buttons are clicky, tactile, responsive. That's what you want. What we have here is their camera control button. So if we just double click that, and instantly, like, the responsiveness of this is top notch. Now I will say that one of the best cases that I've tried for camera control has been the Apple case. The Apple silicone case, to be precise, is the one that I've used quite frequently. And the camera control button, because it's sapphire crystal, it is, you know, developed by Apple for Apple's iPhone. It has been really good. Spigen's is the next best button so far that I have tried. I cannot fault it whatsoever. The buttons are just fantastic, and if you just look here, it picks up all the touch controls, no problem whatsoever. It is so responsive, even if I don't know how to work it properly. As you can see, I really use the camera control button a lot. But what it does do as well, it does give that nice aesthetic. You know, down the side, you don't have a cutout, it doesn't bother you. It's a completely closed off case. It gives you full protection right the way around the phone. That's what I like to see. I really like this case. The fitment of this case, the phone fits in so well. If we just take the phone there and give it a twist, the phone is not moving, so it's not going to pop out at the corners there. And if we just do the removal test there, if you push it up at the corner, it does take a good bit of force to pop that case off the phone. That's what you want to see. Absolutely perfect. And then if we look at the screen lip, then screen lip comes up all the way around the screen, and it is completely consistent all the way across the board. So you've got no issues there. You set that down flat, it's not going to rough up that display on your surface. That's what you want to see. And the camera guard, the lenses don't protrude out whatsoever. That's what you want to see. So you set those lenses down, you're going to get that lift up protection as well. Really good case. These clear bumpers are quite grippy. They're TPU. The back is very smooth, and there's not much grip on the back of it, but there is the grip on these side bumpers, and that is the part that I love, because when you're holding this, you're going to get full grip of this case, and I am a real big fan of this case. It's a MagSafe case, so we can do a MagSafe test. So we just get our trusty MagSafe stand, we pop that on. Spigen's MagSafe magnets have improved over the past couple of years. I was really critical about them. They were not good. They've improved their game, so hopefully they've kept it up. And they have. Look at that. Great MagSafe strength. Top notch. And then if we just pop this in, we'll just try the charging test. Pop the phone on there. No issues. Wireless charging's coming through there perfectly. No problem. That's what you want to see. Now, I will say I'm not really a massive clear case fan, but the ultra hybrid cases from Spigen, I am a fan of. I really dig them, and I always pick one up every year. So I cannot fault these whatsoever. Great job. Next up then is this. This is the Tough Armor case. So we just pop the phone into the Tough Armor case. So this is obviously a more rugged case. You're designed for more shock protection. There's a lot more shock absorbing material on the inside. We have these rubbered bumpers at the side here as well. These rubbered power buttons, which are clicky, tactile. No issues there. Even though you would sort of look at them and think they're a bit clunky, they work really, really well. No problems there. Like if they hit the action button, you can see it's toggling silent on and off there. No problems whatsoever. And of course, we do have camera control here. So it still is sort of cut out and recessed here, but it is completely smooth, and we will just double check it here. So just double click. Yep, no problem. That opens up, and we just test that. Yeah. Again, I think behind Apple, I think Spigen have, I'm not sure if Spigen have a direct relationship with Apple for, you know, what they're using in their cases, but Spigen's button is up there. It is definitely up there, and I cannot fault that whatsoever. It's a real good button. So this case is really grippy. We have that rubber texture that goes all the way around. We have it on the back, we have it on the sides here. And then of course we do have our little kickstand here as well. So if you want to kick out that stand and watch content or whatever you want to do, it's a good job. It does exactly what it says in the tin. So fitment test then, so we just take the corners, we give it a twist, and the phone is not moving. The fit is really good here. The phone is made out of like a more rubber material, but the fit is really good. It does take a good bit of force there to pop that off. That's what you want to see. And then if we look at the screen lip then, again, screen lip, it is maybe a little bit smaller than I would like on a rugged case, but it is consistent all the way around. That's what you want. Set that down flat and it will not touch the surface. That's what you want to see. Camera guard then, again, lenses don't protrude out, so you are going to get that protection if you set it down flat. The feel of the case then, I mean, because it is that sort of a silicone rubbery type material all the way around the case is very grippy. It is very easy to hold. So yeah, you are gonna, if you do end up dropping it, you are gonna get that shock absorption protection, but it is a lot more grippy than a lot of other cases. So yeah, can't really fault that at all. That's a real good case as well. And of course, if you are looking for camera control, it is there. MagSafe case, so we can't do a MagSafe test. So let's just pop this on. And again, Spigen's continued improvement of MagSafe magnets in their cases across the board. This is no exception. That's really strong actually. Whoa. I think maybe the rubber is helping it because it's not moving on the mount, but that's really good. Really good. And with that extra shock absorption material in there, it is a little bit thicker, so we'll just pop it on, and we've no interference there with the wireless charging. It's charging 100%. That's what you want to see. Real good job. My final thoughts then. I really like these cases. These are really good, top quality cases. My only complaint I do have is that Spigen have a lot of really good cases and they haven't put camera control on all of their cases as a standard. I think that's a bit of a mistake. I would have liked to have seen more of their cases have a camera control button as standard. They've made it this good on all these on these cases. Why not do it on them all? And then you're giving the competition a real benchmark, if you know what I mean. I mean, they have the Enzo Aramid fiber. It's a fantastic case. It's let down by no camera control. You know, it's things like these that kind of make me question why Spigen makes some really, really good cases and then they make some really questionable decisions, and I just don't understand who makes these decisions. You know, it's like, why not put camera control buttons on all of your cases and make them standard across the board? You know, is that a cost cutting thing? You know, I think you would sell more if they came with camera control, but that's just me. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. If you do want to pick up any of these cases, I will leave you affiliate links for where you can pick these up. Affiliate links help support the channel. They don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using any of my links, thanks for your support. Much appreciated. I'm going to be covering some more cases with camera control. There's a lot of brands out there which are revising a lot of their cases for camera control buttons, so stay tuned. I will be getting more of them in. That about wraps it up for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. Don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep it locked to the channel. If you want some more down-to-earth tech review and accessory videos, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.